Connects an aftermarket stereo to the factory vehicle antenna lead. Retains AM, FM when installing a new aftermarket stereo. Direct connection to the factory antenna lead without cutting any wires. Manufactured with factory-quality wire and connectors. Backed by Scosche's lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. For 40 years, Scosche has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a Scosche installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. We are so confident in our product quality that we back all Scosche 12 volts installation accessories with a limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. 5 stars. I used this with my 2013 Scion FRS. It works well and even has the wire for the antenna amplifier that comes with my car.